Booting up, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the English language and unpack the meanings and usage of common phrases and expressions. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard in various contexts: booting up. Stick around to learn about its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Whether you are just starting to learn English or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. The phrase, booting up, is a term that originally comes from computing. It refers to the process that a computer goes through when it starts. It's the series of actions that are performed by the computer when it is turned on and prepares itself for operation by checking hardware and loading the necessary software. But it's not just for computers. Booting up can also be used more generally to mean starting any system or preparing something to be used. For example, someone might say they are booting up a grill for a barbecue, implying they are getting it started and ready for cooking. Do you know where the term booting up comes from? It's actually short for bootstrapping. Bootstrapping refers to the old saying, to pull oneself up by one's bootstraps, which means to begin an activity or improve oneself by independent effort without any help. In the world of computers, it implies the system is pulling itself up from a completely inactive state to a working state, all on its own. This term has been around since the early days of computing, but as technology has become a staple in everyday life, the phrase has caught on in other areas too. So, when someone talks about booting up, they're tapping into an idea that's about beginning, starting fresh, and getting ready for action. Now that you know what booting up means, let's see how to use it outside of technology. Here are a few examples. After a holiday, booting up work means getting back into the swing of things at the office. When winter is over, you might talk about booting up your lawnmower for the first cut of the season. Before a movie night at home, you could be booting up your popcorn maker as you prepare snacks. Remember, it's all about the context you use it in. So, next time you start something, think about if you can say you are booting it up. Thanks for watching our video on the meaning of booting up. We hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase better and you feel confident using it in your own conversations. Be sure to practice it, and before you know it, you'll be booting up phrases and idioms like a native speaker. Remember, learning a language is all about adding new pieces to the puzzle of your vocabulary. So, keep learning and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning, and have a great day.